Alright, so I'm gonna talk about my Amazon trade and really show you guys how to learn from a losing trade, how to turn a lesson into profit, how to turn a loser into um, a lesson learned. So this was on November 18th. I traded an Amazon opening range break. I do want to go over my plan just to show you guys how unprepared I was this day. This is all one take. Um, my first time recording something like this. I'm really lazy. I do not want to take my time, take my weekend, like I got other shit to do. And I kind of just want to record this shit just for kind of help some of you guys out as well. Maybe you guys record your screen and don't know what to look at. Alright, so this was November 18th. Overall, jobless claims, we were as expected. Pulling back. I forgot what pre-market high. Pre-market was holding that prior day high, potential all-time high break, 470 break, pre-market high. 470, which was pre-market high break. I didn't have Amazon on watch list at all. As you can see, opening plays either. I had it Apple, Moderna, Nvidia, Tesla on the day. I have Amazon. I didn't like it. I had it on the sidelines, but I didn't have it on like a watch list that I was gonna trade. I was gonna say, all right, if we can catch momentum, I'll watch it. But I didn't like pre-market high for an open range break. Right, so coming into the open, let me show you guys now. November 18th, Amazon trade. Right, I was gonna trade Tesla, but I didn't like the open. You said the most important for me, at least from what I noticed, the most important if you want to trade an opening range break is the last couple minutes. You want to see either a level hold, or you want to see us open near any levels. You want to see either us open. I'm gonna give the example of Tesla. Either hold this 1110, which was a support level, clear resistance area point now, or hold, or I mean not hold, open near 1115. I would have traded Tesla had we opened holding 1110 on the 1110 hold, anticipating pre-market high, or on that 1115 pre-market high break. So that's what I look at. I look at the open, the last 5 minutes to really determine how I wanted it. I didn't really like Tesla, so then on the sidelines I was seeing Amazon start popping up on my screen. I saw us had like a big green candle. I mean a big red candle that turned green. So I quickly switched over to Amazon as you see here, right? This is the first time trading Amazon, so I didn't know how to enter. I didn't know how to enter because I usually get in on the ask break. I saw the ask break, but I didn't know how to trade this. I never traded this before. So I'm gonna just show you guys my process. What I was thinking. I was like, I don't know what to do. Once I see us continue above 35.70, I got in. I got a really bad entry. I got in right when pre-market high broke. And that you never want to do that because you get fucking caught in that premium spike. Right? So now I'm in. I'm like, damn. No, we're not gonna continue higher. But let me see what happens. We pull back. I don't even know what to look at because this is my first time trading. I have no idea what to look at. This is my first time trading Amazon. I'm like, god damn, we're very volatile on this shit. I have no idea what to do. I didn't know what to look at on level 2. I simply did not know what to look at. $250 loss on the day. I was like, alright, it happens, I ended up bouncing back. But that's not what I wanted to talk about. What I wanted to talk about was how the next day I prepared and learned from this losing trade, right? So coming into the market, I want to show you guys my plan and then what I learned from this trade. Let me go back though to the open. Right. So then November 19th, we had no technicals, we had no fundamentals, no news, no catalyst. But I did like overall market. The tech sector was really strong amid the spike gap down. I exaggerated. We didn't have a big gap down. We just had a gap down, like $2 maybe below the close, prior day close. So we're kind of following the Dow down, and the tech sector was holding strong. So I really like that. I'm not showing the chart because I don't want to bring up TD. I'm sorry. This is November 19th. If you guys want to look back, I remember based on the top of my head. SPY, like the last couple minutes, we kind of found support. I forgot at what level, but we started to bounce back up. So it gave me a lot more confidence taking Amazon. Right, and then gap down following the AMID coefficient. This is my like after hours analysis. This is my pre-market analysis. So the Qs were holding strong near yesterday's close. AMID, the market dropped. So overall market was weak, but the tech sector was strong. Right, so now I'm just gonna focus on Amazon. Okay, so Amazon, I looked at it long. I liked it long. No homo. I like the long above pre-market high. It's a 37.35, 37.60, and the all-time high. Those are the levels above. We finally broke and held 35.50, which was like a key level. We broke 3,600 on strong volume. We finally broke and held 35.50. We kept like wicking above it, wicking below it, wicking above it for the longest time. Not the longest time, for like a whole week. We kept struggling at that level, and we finally broke 3,600 on strong volume. So this was the day after. This was that second day continuation. That first day continuation. So overall, we were holding strong on Amazon's pre-market. We were up while overall market was down. SPY was down, so we had that market divergence. We had that market detachment. Amazon was strong, so if market can find support, we can run. Right, my pre-market analysis where we had above average opening volume, break a pre-market high, can have that second day continuation, first day follow through. And my opening plays, I want to show you guys because then I quickly watched the video like 5 minutes. I looked at the recording 5 minutes before the open. So Amazon, my plan on Amazon was after a strong breakout closing under 3,700, pre-market high is 37.15. I'm looking to enter long on the 30.17 break on the ask. This was before I really knew how Amazon was trading, or before I kind of looked over my tape, my reviewing. This was like at 5:30 Eastern Standard, Pacific Standard Time, and then I reviewed my tape and like my journal from the prior day, see what I gotta do. I usually do it like 10-20 minutes before the market open. But yeah, coming into this, talking about this still, I was looking to take 2 contracts because this is a high probable trade. Pre-market has decent volume. I mean, Amazon's opening volume is very low, so to have it at 5:30, it just showed like, all right, there's a lot of people here. So, but like I say, I always wait like the last 5 minutes to really determine what kind of play this is gonna be. The last 5 minutes for me is the foundation of the trade. The last 5 minutes determines a lot if I want to take the opening range break. Because if you saw the one with Tesla, we had a very bad open, but we had a good setup. But if we had that opening drive, I would have played like high days or hold. But yeah, all right. So back on the topic, Amazon 37.15, pre-market high 37.18 now. Right. Q strong, market weak, but it's holding now. Right. So coming into this, right, I come back at like 6:20 to review my tape on November 18th, right? Damn, I think I'm confusing the shit out of you guys. Alright, so look, at 6:15, 6:20 Pacific Standard Time, 10 minutes before the market opened, I didn't know how to trade Amazon because I wasn't confident. Yesterday I traded it. I had tape. I had the recording. I reviewed the recording at that time. I was like, alright, what happened before the break? Why did we break? So then I was like, the ask and bid are very far apart. What if the bid starts stepping back up? And then I was like, you know what? Let me review the tape. Because I wasn't confident in when to enter Amazon. I just did not know when. So then reviewing this tape again. Alright, so that break of 35.68, you want to see the bid start stepping near it. Once the bid is near 35.68, slowly increasing. 35.68, 35.66, this is where you'd want to go long. As you see bid start holding at 35.66, it's tightening the spread. There's an agreement on price. You see? Buyers are now in control. We're stepping above. Stepping above, you know? Buyers, you want to get the bid hold on Amazon instead of trading that breakout on the ask or the breakout on the bid. Amazon trades based off of bid holds. That's what you, or your best entry, your best bet would be on bid hold on Amazon, just because widespread. On widespread names, you want to see the bid hold. The ask is always above the level you want to see. Right? So taking this mindset into the next day, into the taking this mindset. All right, Amazon trades based on bid hold. How can I trade this opening range break on Amazon? Right, November 19th, right? So I had Amazon on my main screen. I had Shop second, Google third, Tesla. I liked Amazon 3700. Like I said, I liked the last 5 minutes, and I really liked this candle. Unfortunate that we broke pre-market high 713, but I really like this candle because this shows there's a lot of buyers. There's a lot of aggression now. So that means there's a lot of buyers, a lot of people stepping up. So this means AG. I'm finna go. So then now I'm just waiting for the open. Right, I see we're opening pretty weak. I really don't like that candle, but I'm like, alright, let's see where we open. If we open low, there's no play. There's just no trade. But if we can open above 37.12, maybe to open it near it, at it, then there's still a trade, right? So we opened at 37.12. I was like, okay, this is good, you know, this is good. Right, so I wanted to see bid start stepping up near 317.12. You know, we trade incrementally. That's how stocks move, incrementally, psychological levels. We want to see 37.10 hold. I want to see the bid above it and hold it. What I mean by hold it is when once we get above it, we never come under it. We get above it and we just stay there, and then we continue higher. We can break it, consolidate for a second, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, hold above it, and then continue higher. That's that confirmation. That's what I mean by holding. Nice red candle, so I'm like, alright, I'm looking for a red to green. We broke, I'm looking for that break of 710 on the bid. We broke it on the bid. Now I want to see us hold it. Once I see us hold, I'm in for that pre-market high break. We broke pre-market high. I want to see 37.20 now. We broke. We're pulling back now. Exit on that premium spike, 31.20. I got filled at mid price basically. Great trade. Great trade. We continue higher. You want to check my P&L real quick, which I am against. But I just wanted to see how much I was up. Overall, great trade. This was a really good example of how to bounce back from a loss. I had a $250 losing day, but I learned from it. It was a I paid $250 to make the $700 day. So initially, I made, I think, like $500 in total, just because I paid that $200 price for the recording. I literally paid for a recording, $200. Now I know how Amazon trades. So now, if you guys never traded Amazon, just know Amazon trades based off of bid holds. Amazon doesn't trade based off of like ask break or no. Amazon's a very wide name. It's a very spready name. You want to see the bid get tight. You want to see the bid start stepping up. You want to see overall spread tighten up. You want to see the bid start stepping up and holding above it. So once we broke that 37.10, you guys saw, we broke it, held it, we continued higher. Really great trade. I feel like the better entry would have been the 3710 break on the bid. But again, this was my second time trading Amazon's open range break. I can't expect much from me. I learned from it now. Alright, once the bid breaks, maybe. That's when you think about getting in your starter position. Once we hold it, enter your full position. Because you can get in, it can fake out. This is your couple first times trading it. You know, you really got to get your fingers, your toes in the water before you try to be aggressive with it. So that's why I only went in one contract. I was planning to go in two, but I saw how premiums were pretty aggressive. 1400 on the open. I was like, yeah, I'm not trying to risk off 500 more, you know. But overall, this was a good trade, a prime example of how to learn from your loser. I mean, this was pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from it. It really taught me a lot how to learn back, review your trades, review your screen, how to bounce back from a loss. You know, I didn't let that loss affect my trading day. I turned it into a lesson, and I initially just made it into a big win just because of what I seen on the tape, you know. So good trade, good day. I hope you guys learned something from this. I mean, I don't know what my next video is gonna be. I really don't. But if you guys enjoyed it, let me know. I mean, if you guys enjoyed it, just let me know. I mean, I'll probably make some more videos. I have a lot of 630 trades. If you guys wanna, what do you call it? If you guys want more videos like these, if you guys want, just let me know in the comments. Even though I'm gonna get like 8 views on this shit, but still, you guys probably clicked off by now. But I really don't give a fuck. So if you like it, don't like it, dislike it, whatever, I don't give a fuck what you do. I really don't. So, I mean, look at all my fucking recordings on these shits. It doesn't show. Anyways, I'm done. Alright, good luck. Just keep going, guys. I'm not a gang member. I don't know why I did that. I have no idea why I did that. I'm out before I do something stupid.